In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a monitor of computer. So we have to make basic shape with this rotated rectangle. You can set the length. Uh, you can set the length maybe around 1 or maybe just 800 millimeter, and then we can place on this position. Okay. So and then we can make the curve to make this monitor support. Okay, just something like this, and then we can click and then offset it in outside. Okay, just around this. Okay, and then we can close this uncontinuous line anyway. Okay, just something like this, and then we can push it up. Okay, and make it group anyway. So then we can make the rectangle over there. We can move on midpoint of this. Okay, so then we have push it to the upper position and push it up again, maybe just like this, and then we can make it group. Okay, and then we can make the rectangle anyway. We can make the rectangle over there. Just okay, we can use the scale. And we can scale or everywhere when we want anyway. So then we have push it to the front. We have to push it to the front and just offset it inside anyway. We can offset it inside and we can push it to the front little, just something like this, and then we can place this line anyway to close this every single surface on the back side of this monitor. Okay, and then we can just offset it a little bit inside, maybe just for um, 4 millimeter or anymore, and then we can select all and make group. So then we can select the dark, then we can select the dark more on this screen anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be benefit to all of you about how to make elegant monitor, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.